Hi, I'm Joe of Family Handyman. Today I have a fun project for you, a solar-powered house number box. Very affordable and easy to build. Let's get started. First up, I'll cut the sides and the back. Next, I'm going to cut a slot a 1/4 inch deep where the plexiglas is going to slide into. Set your saw at a 1/2 inch and make it a 1/4 inch deep. My top and bottom blocks are 3 7/8, so I'm going to cross cut a piece off this board and get the top and bottom blocks. All right, so these are the bottom blocks. You can make this out of a 2x4, but as long as we have this 1/2 inch plywood, let's make it out of that. We'll glue those two together. Then this is the glass stop block. And then this is the front. So when the glass comes down, it'll land right in this slot. Now it's time to do a little assembly. I'm going to put the two bottom blocks together with glue and nails. Before I start assembling this cabinet, I need to draw a line 1 inch down from the top so I know where to put my top block. Okay, now we're going to assemble the bottom to the sides. It attaches to it like that. Next, the other side goes on. With the remaining two blocks, we're going to attach that with glue and nails for the top. Now that I have the box assembled, I want to fit the back. See how that goes on. Slip it in there, make it sure it's flush with both the top and bottom, and then we'll pre-drill some holes to attach the back. We'll do 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and then 1 on each side. That'll hold the back in. Time to cut the plexiglass. Let's see if it fits. All right, I'm at the point where we're going to talk about numbers. You can choose to use a decal, a stick-on number, or you can attach a raised number on this plexiglass. I'm using the raised numbers. I already have mine laid out here, and I'm going to start drilling holes. All right, now I have the holes all drilled in my plexi. Before I put the numbers on the plexi, I want to install the LED strip lights. All right, the solar panel fits right in the top area here. I need to drill a hole in order to feed the LED strip lights down through. Now I have all the LED strip lights in. I'm going to peel the protective covering on the plexiglass and install the plexiglass. Now I'm going to attach the numbers. All right, I'm on the home stretch of this project. I'm going to attach the back with 4 screws. Time to attach the solar panel. Each one of these panels are a different size. You might have to custom fit it. I've got a couple of cleats that I'm going to attach to each side, just so I have a nice tight fit so water doesn't flow into it. One of the last things is to attach the flange and the stake to the bottom. There you have it, solar-powered house number box. I'm going to probably put some paint on this and call it good. Stick it in your front yard. For more fun projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.